To begin with, make sure your HVAC unit is working properly. Next, turn off the power, remove the cover from your thermostat, and take a picture of the wiring. Then remove the thermostat signal wires, the back plate, and tuck the wires down into the right neatly. Then begin to connect the signal wires to the Lena unit according to the color pattern shown on the outside of the unit. Check to make sure the wires are secure and mount the back plate.
Matter of fact, I'm going to zoom in.
Then connect the ribbon wires from your Lena unit to the mounting plate of your thermostat. Replace the thermostat cover, turn your power back on, then press the ET button located on the right side of your unit. It will begin connecting to the internet and our server. You will be connected, protected, and saving. Replace the cover on the unit, and you're ready to go. All right.